I don't know what's wrong with her. Maybe she just fell out the tree. But I made her a little house. Was that too much? Oh my God. Should I have cut it up? Look at you. Let me go find you another one. I don't know whether to leave him on the, in here or on the, or put him up high. I don't know. Is he so full? I don't know. What do I do with him? Ugh. Ugh. Where did it go? Did I drop it? Did you drop it? Where did it go? Oh boy, did I drop it? Or did you eat it? I don't know. I don't know. What happened? What happened? Oh. No, no. Huh. Ugh. Mm. Look at his little mouth. Wide open. Wide open. Look at it. I just tap it. Look at that. I'm trying to find you another worm. Oh, there it is. I found it. I dropped it. Okay. Oh. Okay, wait a minute. Here it is. Ugh. Oh my God, I can't touch it. I can't touch it. Ooh. Look at that. Okay. I'm trying to give it to you. Here you go. Here you go. Oh, why didn't you open your mouth? Look, open. Huh? You full? Okay. Well, all right, there you go, little bird. I done gave you a little house. Hopefully won't nothing mess with you. Okay.